You soaking wet, bud? You been in the creek? You been in the creek, boy. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2018 Toyota 4Runner. This sucker is a super hot rod, off-road edition, in the midnight black, metallic. In the last video, we worked really hard on this front end, making sure that everything fit. We found the heartbreaker. Our headlight here, she's broke. We got us a brand new one. We're gonna bust out the new grill. So we're gonna get our new headlight, gonna put that in, put our new grill on, kind of see how everything lines up. And then once we get that done, we're gonna take every bit of it right back off. We're gonna mark that radiator support. We're gonna get it drilled. We're gonna get it ready to get it welded on. So why don't we go ahead, get our new headlight out, see how that fits, see how our grill fits, see how everything fits, so we can take it right back apart. So let's hop to it. Let's get it done.
All right, guys, so we just got done adjusting our hood, the radiator support, all the brackets and everything to make sure it lines up. This is all Toyota OEM parts, and it fits just like an OEM Toyota part. So right now we brought our old radiator support in. We're sizing it up, seeing our drill holes. We're marking on the new radiator support with white spray paint where we drilled the old one so we can use our MIG welder and MIG this thing back on. So let's get back to it and let's get it done.
Alrighty guys, we have made a ton of progress today. We got everything fitting, 100% perfect, 100% OEM. We got our radiator support all drilled out. We drilled about 25 or 30 holes in this sucker. We got it ready to weld on. We put some weld through primer behind it all. We ground down our spots here. So we're gonna really get it welded. We got the MIG 135, but we think we just run out of time and run out of steam today. So what we'll do is we'll get everything ready. Maybe the bumper will come in so we can actually put the bumper on to make sure that we got a 100% fit. So we'll catch you guys back here tomorrow in the evening. Next day here, we have been working like crazy on this 4Runner. We got the radiator support all up on there and all squared up. We measured it all up with the killer tool trim that we bought the other day. Everything is going perfect with that. We tacked on our stands here. We tacked every one of those stands on. They're all welded on. The fender fits perfect. Everything is perfect. So what we got to do now is we have put some weld through primer all on this stuff. So everything behind it is protected with weld through primer. So we got to start pulling these up and just burning these in, welding these suckers up. So we got a lot of welding to do. We'd like to get all that weld up, and then we're going to paint this, you know, touch it back up from where we got it painted. So we'll touch it back up after we get it welded. It's gonna be perfect. Can't wait to get it done. So let's stop talking. Let's start welding.
Alrighty guys, so we got our new headlights out. We got our new radiator support out. We popped them things in, make sure it fit. It fit like OEM. We took everything back off. We got it prepped for welding. We drilled the holes out. Got everything fitting real nice and OEM. We got a trim gauge back out. Everything was straight and perfect while we were welding on this thing. And then we just started grinding the spots down, putting a little glaze on the spots, getting everything looking good and ready for paint. So in the next one, that's probably what we're gonna do, is paint this radiator support. So if you like this video, leave us a like. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We post there before YouTube. Leave us a comment down below. And until next time, we're out.